I know something else too. I know say he's a man with little to no morals. And him desperate for power. So he would do anything to get it. So me now gonna take your word. Just so.
I know that thing, boss. That's why I want to move from around him and they run you.
Siva, tell us I'm shoot from the hips. So I could call a spade a spade. This is not about partnership and alliance. This is about leverage. You're up on the run from daily, don't it? So you need another influential politician today in your corner. Or you might end up at prison or end up in a ditch somewhere.
Mm, something like that.
Lies are made up of sections of truth. So me and you, we could start with the truth. So that we know what kind of lie we're gonna tell.
All right, boss.
That's your first lie. Me and your boss. If we're gonna do this, it have to be a mutually beneficial experience. Make you understand this. Me and your associate. Me and your partner. I'm definitely and your friend. That clear?
Clear like crystal spring water.
Good. It is clear what me can do for you. Question is, what you can do for me?
I can help you on the campaign trail, boss.
Would have been in the seat for that happen. I'm in the seat.
I know you try to get back your seat. And knowing you, I know you're not stop till that happen.
You know, said Daly is a very diabolical man. And the name I call upon a whole heap of things. But nothing not stick. An agency has been trying to take him down. But that not happen. And if him happen to get them out before me getting a power, then that's it.
So, what you want we do?
We. There's no we, bro. What me want you to do is lay low, stay quiet, and me do my checks and balances. Then we'll take it from there and move forward.
Anything I say, boss. I mean, minister.
Question. You tell Daily about Tony Esperanza's story.
Yeah, but he said to him,
Good. Honesty. That way we know where I work with. That is it.
so what am I do now? Wait for your call?
Yeah. Speaking of call,
Judge minister, what that?
it's a jumpy. Hold this. Now I know where you're there and who you are talk to. Consider this as my security, but my peace of mind.
But we have some important number on the phone now.
Just send me the important number them where you want. We'll send it to you after the repairman fix it. Consider it as a small price to pay for my protection.
All right, minister. Me wait for your call.
Cool. Same way in, same way out. Yeah. No, man. Make him go on. Just follow him and watch him every move and just tell what him do. We take it from there. Sir.
You know, say you can't tell we do. Because it obvious there's something going on.
Yeah. You and Mr. Mullins not good for the hiding thing there. You see what I go on.
Well, on a right. On a far more perceptive than before.
I'm glad I realize. So they can't stop telling me say things above my pay grade now.
What you say? You turn big woman now.
Long time.
Then look at you. Not just the other day we are training you for beat reds. And then after that, we are training you for do assignments.
Bubbles. Bubbles. Let's see what you try do. What me I do? Yeah, stall. And I try to change the subject.
So, back to the topic. What really going on the assignment?
Mr. Mullins gave the order to terminate.
Terminate? You mean about mission?
No? Terminate target.
Me didn't know, you know. Me didn't know. So, when they get rid of Milton,
Yeah.
So what happened? Him retaliate?
I'm fine also when I aunt to him and attack on him.
Neither.
So, why sir decide to terminate the target?
Whenever did I go get no time? And him did in safe zone. And me did out of my jurisdiction.
General.
No, we don't have Milton, and we don't have no information.
I still not get why Mr. Mullins gave the order.